How to use ChatGPT by OpenAI for beginners. So if you want to use ChatGPT by OpenAI for beginners, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with your browser and you need to search for ChatGPT and go with introducing ChatGPT OpenAI, which will be on the first, and then go with try ChatGPT and make sure to log into your account. If you've not created your account, you can go and create, or you can log into your account if you've already created. Now you'll have this kind of interface, right? You just need simply go with the message chat GPT box, which will be right here on the middle of your screen, or it will be on the bottom of your screen. So you just need simply click on it and ask anything that you would like to ask. So for example, I'll just simply go with a question. What is management? And it will give you the responses. As you can see, it's giving two responses. So you can scroll down and you can just simply prefer any response that you're comfortable with. You can use it for anything like your homeworks and everything. It can also make essays if we wanted to. Like for example, if you search for, write an essay about solar system, it will just write in the essay. So you can use it for multiple purposes. And that's how you can use it. You don't need to do anything. You just need to simply go with the message bar and just give a question. It will answer you. So that's how you can use your chat GPT. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.